Okay, so let's figure out, what do we know about our problem? How many gummy worms are there?
19.
There's 19 gummy worms. How many people have got gummy worms so far?
8.
And what are we trying to figure out?
How many more?
How many gummy worms are still in the bin?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got the cubes here as your strategy. So what do we want to start with?
19.
Okay. And why do you want to start with 19 first?
Because that's how many starts in the bag, and then people grab out 8 out.
So that's your strategy to figure out how many. I think that's an excellent strategy. So.
Can you use your sharpener?
Yes.
Eighteen, 19.
Okay, so you sure that's 19?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Perfect. Now you said, what was going to be your next step?
Make 8.
So the gummy worms, we've got 19 in the bin. And what did you say was going to happen? What happens with the gummy worms? You're going to make 8 more?
No, people grab 8 out of the bin.
Okay. So where are you going to get your 8 gummy worms from? From the bin or from your 19 that you have so far?
19 I have so far.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
8. Right.
So there's the gummy worms we have. Now, how many gummy worms are left in the bin then?
11.
Fantastic. I really like this strategy for you because it helps you represent and see the number. So I think this is a great choice. Now, if we look at our anchor chart, we've picked our strategy. All right, I've seen your work. Now what's our next step?
They want
We're gonna write a final
sentences.
Okay, so what are we gonna say in our sentence? What's gonna answer our problem? What was our whole problem in the first place? How many
are in the bin?
So how many are in the bin now? Well, no, there are how many in the bin now? There are how many gummy worms left in the bin?
Can I go to like this?
We can use the anchor chart, but what was the number again? What did you figure out? There are how many?
11.
Fantastic. There's our final sentence. Great work, buddy.
Thank you.
Okay. So can you explain to me how you use the 100 chart to solve the problem?
So, I colored. Wait. How much is it? 19. That would be 10.
Why did you color 19?
Because there was 19 gummy worms.
Okay.
I was almost going to say gumballs.
Yeah. So there was 19 gummy worms, so you colored 19. And then why did you put the orange on here? What does it?
It represents how many people got gummy worms.
Okay. So after you did how many people got gummy worms, then how did you figure out how many were in the bin?
I counted by threes.
You counted by threes? Show me how you count by threes.
3, 6, 9, and then I can 10, 11.
That's great. And then you wrote your final sentence. 11 gummy worms are left. Now where are they left though? Left.
Gummy worms.
Well, no, we have the gummy worms. 11 gummy worms are left. Are they left on the floor? Where are they left? In the bin. Excellent. Now, what I thought might be a challenge is, do you want to try the green problem now? You do? Okay. So if you want to get a new 100 chart for that one, because that seems like a good strategy that works for you, okay? So I'm looking at your answer, and you use the 100 chart, and I read it. There are 11 gummy worms left in the bin. So I think that's fantastic. You wrote a great final sentence. Can you tell me how you figured out that there was 11?
I colored it first 8, and then colored.
And why did you color 8?
Because the end was 8, and then I colored an 8.
You colored 8 because why? What does 8 mean in our problem? So that there's, so far people have earned 8 gummies.
Yeah.
Okay. Now why did you color the number 19?
19 because it says we have 19 gummy worms.
So that's how many are in the bin. And then, so how did you count to the number 11? What did you do?
I counted my one that goes 10, 11.
So you went straight down to do the shortcut for 10 and over 1 for 11?
Yeah.
I think that's a great strategy. Do you want to try the second problem? Okay, I think that's a great step.